Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check software version for your headphones Logitech G933. You have to start by open Logitech G HUB application. Of course you need to add your headset to the app and then you will see them at the device list. Click at your headphones. And then we need to go to the device settings at the left bottom. And right here at the right top we have firmware version. Firmware version is the same as software, so you can check it right here, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!